Welcome to PES Video, featuring our capability for repairing the ABB ACH550 series of AC drives. For all models and sizes of this drive, we are able to provide a high-quality repair solution that is fast and economical. During the repair process, the item will be disassembled, cleaned, and inspected by a technician. All components that are found to be defective, damaged, or out of tolerance will be replaced. In addition, any components known to have a high failure rate are also replaced. This attention to detail allows us to provide an all-inclusive warranty that covers the entire unit, not just what's repaired. After reassembly, power is applied to the drive, and all power supplies, inputs, and outputs are tested, along with the keypad, communications, and other functions. Once the unit passes all functionality tests, it is dynamically load tested and burned in on one of our custom-engineered load centers. This critical step of our repair process ensures your drive will perform as required when reinstalled at your facility. Finally, the unit undergoes a quality control inspection to ensure all relevant tests and procedures were performed as required before it is released for shipping. PES also offers an expedited repair service for even faster turnaround when needed. Call or visit our website today to send in your ACH550 drive for repair or to find out about the many other great services we provide.